Hello, my dears. Good afternoon. How are you today? Fine. Yes, very good. I am also fine. Who I am? I am your EVS ma'am. I am your EVS ma'am, and my name is Jyoti Bajre. So today you are ready to do fun and activities? Yes or no? So today you are ready to do activity? Yes. Okay, my dears. So today we will which subject we will learn? We will learn EVS. And you know, and in which class you are? You are in LKG. Good. Good, my sweet children. You're so sweet. So all of you, fold your hands and sit properly. How you will sit? Fold your hands and sit properly and look at the board. Where you will look? Look at the board. So today we have fun. What we have? Today we will have fun. Okay. Today, we have learned about animals, so many things, their homes, their food, their babies. And today we will learn about insects. About what? Insect. Today we will learn about insects. What is insects? Insects क्या होते हैं? Insects छोटे छोटे कीड़े होते हैं. कीड़े देखे ना आपने? हाँ. So insects are छोटे छोटे कीड़े होते हैं. Okay. So first insect is butterfly. Have you seen butterfly? You have seen butterfly? Yes, butterfly. It is very beautiful and it is in many colors. Butterfly is very beautiful and it is in many colors. Butterfly fly and what do? He sit on the flowers. Where do butterfly sit? Butterfly sits on flower and eat food from flower. Flower. Okay. So, which insect is this? This is butterfly. You know butterfly. You have seen? You have catch the butterfly? No, don't catch it. Okay. So, first insect is butterfly. Yes, it is in many colors. Then lady bug. Lady bug. You have seen ladybug? It is red in color, red and black. Ladybug is red in black color. Ladybug is in red and black color. Ladybug is an insect. Ladybug. Ladybug. You have seen it on top. It is red in color and it had black color dots. It has so many legs. Okay. So ladybug. The next is spider. Spider is also an insect. Spider. Spider. What is spider? Spider मकड़ी होती है. Spider क्या होती है? मकड़ी. Spider. What does spider live? Where does spider live? Spider live in web. Okay. So this is spider. What is this? Spider. It is also has so many legs. Spider also have so many legs. Okay, spider. Spider make web and spider live on the web. जाला देखा जाला, जाले को क्या बोलते हैं? वेब बोलते हैं. ओके. और मकड़ी को क्या बोलते हैं? स्पाइडर. स्पाइडर. बटरफ्लाई, ladybug, spider, then ant. You have seen ant. You have seen ant. Ant क्या होती है बताओ? What is ant? चींटी. चींटी को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Ant बोलते हैं. चींटी को क्या बोलते हैं? Ant. Ant. Okay. It is in two color, red and black. Ant is in two color, red and black. Butterfly, ladybug, spider, ant. Okay, ant. Then next is firefly. What is firefly? Firefly किसको बोलते हैं? Firefly जुगनू को बोलते हैं. जुगनू देखे ना आपने? It shine at night like a light. लाइट की तरह रात में शाइन करते हैं वो. लाइट में रात में दिखते हैं वो सिर्फ. जैसे लाइट ऑन करते हैं ना हम, तो लाइट कैसे ऑन होती है? बल्ब. वैसे ही फायरफ्लाई रात में चमकते हैं. जुगनू बोलते हैं उसे. फायरफ्लाई मीन्स जुगनू. फायरफ्लाई मीन्स जुगनू. Firefly means जुगनू. Then next, mosquito. What is mosquito? Mosquito. What is mosquito? Which insect is mosquito? Mosquito किसको बोलते हैं? Mosquito मच्छर को बोलते हैं. Mosquito किसको बोलते हैं? मच्छर को. Mosquito. Okay? मॉस्किटो. बहुत जोर से काटते हैं ना मच्छर हमें. मॉस्किटो. यस और नॉट? यस. बटरफ्लाई, लेडीबग, स्पाइडर एंड फायरफ्लाई. मॉस्किटो. मॉस्किटो मीन्स मच्छर. फायरफ्लाई मीन्स जुगनू. ओके. देन फ्लाई. फ्लाई किसे बोलते हैं? मक्खी को. फ्लाई किसे बोलते हैं? मक्खी को बोलते हैं ना फ्लाई. यस. फ्लाई किसको बोलते हैं? मक्खी को. फ्लाई किसे बोलते हैं? मक्खी को. फ्लाई मीन्स मक्खी. फ्लाई मीन्स मक्खी. आज what we have learned? Today we have learned इंसेक्ट्स नेम. ये सारी क्या है? इंसेक्ट्स के नाम हैं. बटरफ्लाई, लेडीबग, स्पाइडर, एंट, फायरफ्लाई. फायरफ्लाई मीन्स जुगनू. मॉस्किटो मीन्स मच्छर. फ्लाई मीन्स मक्खी. देन cockroach. Do you like cockroach? I don't like cockroach. Cockroach is also an insect. You know, you have seen in doggy cockroach. They run fast. 3 cockroaches were there. Yes. So cockroach. It is brown in color, no? It's come like this. Tom. Yes. Cockroach. What we have learned? Cockroach. Okay. Today we have learned names of insects. Butterfly, ladybug, spider, ant, cockroach, firefly means जुगनू. Mosquito means मच्छर. Fly means मक्खी. Then many and other is worm. Worm means कीड़ा. Worm. छोटे वर्म्स आते हैं ना, देखिए आपने छोटे कीड़े. वर्म्स. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? वर्म्स. The next, beetle. It is black in color. Beetle, black in color. Yes. So what we have learned? Today we have learned names of insects. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. You have seen grasshopper? It is green in color. Grasshopper. It is green in color. उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? टिड्डा. Yes. ग्रासहॉपर को टिड्डा बोलते हैं. ग्रासहॉपर. बटरफ्लाई, लेडीबग, स्पाइडर, एंड कॉकरोच, वर्म. स्पाइडर मीन्स मकड़ी. वर्म मीन्स छोटे छोटे कीड़े आते हैं. बीटल, ब्लैक इन कलर, बीटल. ग्रासहॉपर, ग्रीन कलर के आते हैं वो, उसके बड़े बिग बिग स्लैग्स रहते हैं. ओके, ग्रासहॉपर. फायरफ्लाई, फायरफ्लाई मीन्स जुगनू. मॉस्किटो, मॉस्किटो मीन्स मच्छर. फ्लाई, फ्लाई मीन्स मक्खी. ओके, सो टुडे वी हैव लर्न the name of insects. Okay, now we will do one activity. This is caterpillar. What is this? This is a caterpillar. Look here, caterpillar is going on tree. So today what we will do? Look here. What is this? This is cotton. What is this? Cotton. Okay. So today we will make caterpillar. Caterpillar is also an insect. Caterpillar is also an insect. So you have to make caterpillar with this cotton. Cotton means रुई. ये क्या है? रुई है. What is this? रुई. रुई को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Cotton. What is this? Cotton. What is this? Cotton. So next, what we will do? We will take cotton. What we will do? We will take cotton and make bowl like this. Tell your mama to draw caterpillar. Okay. Then take cotton like this and make ball. What you will do? Make a ball. Make ball like this of cotton. Make ball of cotton. Okay. You have to do, children. Do like this. So that's your gripping will be good. Okay. So do like this. Yes. Make a ball. Make a ball from cotton. Yes. Look here. I have colored the cotton. What I have done? I have colored the cotton. Then take. Now put glue on the cotton. Okay. Then you stick here. What you will do? You will stick. Okay. What you will do? You will stick on the caterpillar. What you will do? You will stick on the caterpillar like this, or like this only. You have to stick all the cotton on the circle, and you have to make a caterpillar. Okay, like this. Okay. Yes. So what you will do? Put here glue or Fevicol. Then you have to stick the cotton on the circle. Okay. What you will do? You will stick the cotton. Okay. Then next again stick cotton. Yes, stick cotton. Very good. Very good. Yes, yes. Do you enjoy what we are doing today? We are making caterpillar insect. What we are doing? We are looking insect. Paste over here. Just paste it. Cotton. Okay, next. Yes, very good. It is looking good or not? Yes or no? Yes. So you have to do like this only. You also have to do like this. Okay. Yes, very good. Caterpillar is ready? No. We have to make eyes also. Look here. Eyes from black marker. Yes. And one big smile. And one big smile on the face of caterpillar. Our caterpillar is ready. Our caterpillar is ready. Did you enjoy what we have done? This is a caterpillar. Which insect is this? This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar देखा है ना वो इल्ली जैसी आती है चलती caterpillar. Yes. So this is a caterpillar. What is this? Caterpillar. So today we have learned names of insect and we have made caterpillar from cotton balls. This is cotton. We have made the balls and we have made the caterpillar. So did you enjoy? Yes. So very good. So you have to make this. Make this caterpillar at home and you have to send me pics and video. What you have to send me? Pics and video. So do this work at your home and this is the oral part. You don't have to write in your notebook. Okay? Bye. Have a nice day. Look after yourself.